Sorry everyone, my memory just got full, so I switched to my mom's iPhone 7, so I'm just gonna vlog on this for now. Let's go look at him. Look at him running like a beast. Running like a beast.
I run like in GTA.
Now I can see myself. This is so cool.
I think there could be coyotes.
Yeah, there's definitely coyotes.
We've seen coyotes from above.
Yeah, where we live, you can see coyotes from our thing. Look at that dead cactus.
Dried up from the
Dried up.
cold. But look at these trees. How interesting. Some of them are
These
dry
trees.
and some of them are not.
Look at that.
This looks like a view.
It is. No, it's not. It's not as Christmas trees are dark.
Yeah, Christmas trees are dark.
And small.
And way smaller. This is something about tree, this little plant that we always see. It's so cool. It's like you can find it in the desert, and it's like this little flower. Look at that.
Oh, but they're dry.
They're dried. At our apartments, they have in the back lots of these, and the bunnies like hiding behind there. So they like living here. They make like little huts in there, and they hide.
The rabbits make huts in there and the coyotes.
Wait, how do I switch it?
Right here.
Yes.
No.
I'm sorry, guys.
I think.
No, let's just do it like
do
this.
it like that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay. Okay, so we're walking here. I'm trying to see if this video is good on iPhone 7. Look at the husky. We're just adventuring in this forest area. Oh, is that Akita?
Aww.
Husky told you. White husky. Look at this view.
Another dog.
He's cute. He's like a baby German. That's not a Labrador.
Is that a Labrador? Is that a
Let's go see the rough. That's a rough.
We never went through this trail. It's so cool.
What's the name of this park, Nico?
This place is called Arbor Hills Nature Preserve in Plano, Texas.
What kind of dog is that?
Border Collie.
What about that one?
Which one?
The black one.
Labrador.
Oh, look at my favorite kind of dog.
What's his name?
Yeah, we're dog sitters, so we love
Her
dogs.
name is Billy.
Finley.
Finley. Oh, look at the husky. Look at this. Oh,
He
lab.
wants love. He wants love.
jealous. Don't be.
Little encounter with the dogs.
That was mixed with a husky.
No.
That mixed with a husky.
No. She's an Australian Shepherd.
Okay. I wonder how. Oh, we just found a trail. We found a trail, Noah. Noah, we found a trail. We found this trail. Let's see where it takes. Noah, where? Look at those eyes. Come on, we're going this way. There's a trail. Oh, look, there's a trail. There's a trail. Trail. We found this trail. Hopefully. Yeah, next time I definitely need to bring my mountain shoes. It's so hard to go on the mountains and all that, especially if you're going here. It's hard to walk. Like literally, you saw me. I almost fell on that little part of it. It was so crazy. Okay, I don't know where this is going though. This is so weird. It's about 40 degrees. Not too bad. Oh, but I'm still a little cold because it's windy, so it makes it a little bit extra cold. No! Oh! My brother outruns her. Outruns her. Oh, she's gonna get us! She's getting us! Oh. Let's go. Oh, this is like a mountain trail. This is so cool. No, this way. This way.
This way.
This way or this way? Let's do this way. This way.
No.
I want to go this way.
Yeah, let's go this way.
It has like
We're going
you.
this way.
Yeah.
Look at the rocks. It's already 5 minutes. There's this video I'm probably gonna do here later. I probably can't include in this, so I'm probably gonna do another video of something. But it's something that is really cool and you guys will probably like. So I might end this video in like a minute or two. So just stay here. Unique? Oh, where? Where's the rabbit? There's a trail. There's a trail right there. There's trees. They're dying here. They're dying.
There's no bees.
Yeah, I know.
Why do you guys think
There's no bees on the desert area.
Because there's no flowers.
Yeah, no flowers.
And you know why the bees are not out? There's no flowers, yes, it's true.
They're here.
But it's
They're
also
here.
because it's too
Here.
cold.
Yeah.
Look, more cactus. Dead cactus.
That's why
Bees
everything's
don't
dying.
like cold.
That's why everything.
Why do you guys think the bees stay when it's cold?
They stay in the nest.
In their hives.
Yeah, they're
Where?
hot. This way, this way. This way. I think there might be a creek here. Oh! It almost ran me over.
Oh, no, that is.
Oh, now we're getting more into the desert. I think we're gonna finish it off. Let's. Oh, look! We got all the way to the buildings. Before we were way back there. We're gonna end this video in like a minute. Okay, running. No, look at this sketchy hill. Sketchy hill. No, let's finish the video. Oh, never mind. I don't think we're gonna finish the video. Oh, look!
Water!
Little creek.
No, por aquí. Look, we can make it.
Oh, there's a cardinal. There's a cardinal. There's a cardinal. There's a cardinal. 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 Look at these birds. Oh, they're all. There's some of them are cardinals. Look at those birds. What? I forgot the name of those birds. They're trying to drink water. Don't drink that water. It's contaminated, I think. How do I get over this creek? Look how cool that is. It's like orange. It's like this weird plant growing in there. Okay, I made it. Oh. Oh! Almost hit my head. Okay, we made it. Go quick.
There's all this shit on these birds.
These birds.
Should I go camera?
What birds are these?
I forgot the name of them. I know what they are, but I just forgot. Okay, let's end it, Noah. Let's end it.
Comment down below what you think that bird is.
Yeah, comment below what the name of the bird is because we forgot. The three of us are gonna say bye right now. Let's see if we could get all of us in. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video. Say bye, Noah.